everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to Acarathics, and today we are starting the chapter calorimetry. And this chapter में basically they have discussed about the heat gain or the heat loss. तो इसके numerical करेंगे. तो here we'll be starting from the second question because first question is very easy in that they are asking the temperature difference or so. So let's see. So the first question is calculate the heat capacity of a copper vessel, mass 200 gram and specific heat capacity. तो जिन्होंने ये चैप्टर किया है दे नो वेरी वेल कि स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी इज़ अ स्मॉल सी एंड द कैपिटल सी डैश एज पर द बुक इज़ द हीट कैपेसिटी. तो बिकॉज मास डिस्कस किया है सो विल राइट मास ऑफ वेसल विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू 200 ग्राम. नाउ वेदर वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस इन केजी या फिर किस में करेंगे वो डिपेंड करता है यहाँ पे कि ये यूनिट में क्या दिया हुआ. तो यहाँ पे केजी दिया है सो वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू केजी. सो which is 0.2 kg. Next, they are giving small c, specific heat capacity is 410 joule per kg per Kelvin. So therefore heat. So Q is equals to, we know, mc delta T. तो अब इसको कैसे करेंगे delta T, तो we don't know, right? So if we will find Q, heat capacity, then we can calculate the capital C. But there is one more relation. तो इस वजह से हम दो फार्मूला यूज़ करने की बजाय what we gonna do is, because I am telling you this way because most of my students do this mistake कि वो पहले heat निकालेंगे and then they will use the Q is equals to C dash delta T. So we will not use this. ओके बिकॉज मैंने एक को बताया था तो हाउ शी डिड दिस वन वॉज कि Q इज इक्वल्स टू एम सी डेल्टा टी and then she wrote Q is equals to C dash delta T. So both are equal, so C dash delta T is equals to MC delta T and change is same, so cancel. तो इतना लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर करने से बेटर है कि we will go directly by the relation. And what is that? That C dash is equals to MC. So mass is given as 0.2 into 410. So 41 2s are 82 and then 1 point decimal. It's joule per Kelvin. So this is the answer. That's all done. Next, they're asking how much heat energy will be required to increase the temperature from this. So for the B part, delta T is given as 10 degrees Celsius or 10 Kelvin because दोनों स्केल पे वो सेम ही होता है. So how much heat will be required? So now we have C dash, so we will use this only. So Q is equals to C dash del T. So 82 into 10, which is 810 joules, which is the answer. Sorry, 820. My bad. It's 820 joule. Yeah, 82 times are 820. So I hope all of you understood this one. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.